Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Apple Music on Samsung Galaxy S26. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library, so just swipe up now here, so go to next page. Now here, so click on Play Store app. You will see, click on Play Store app, so click on search. Now here, so click on search and search Apple Music. You will see Apple Music option is here, so click on Apple Music. So first of all, click on install. You will see Apple Music app is installed. So after installing, go back to home screen, refresh phone, and you will see Apple Music app is here. So click on Apple Music app and click on allow. You will see you will search song from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can install Apple Music on Samsung Galaxy S26. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.